Hi, thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Today, we are going to learn how to use a website called Voki. So we're going to www.voki.com. I have one Voki that I already create, but I want to show you how to create a new one. You go to create new. You have several options. You click on the icon where the person is, the character is here. If you don't like the ones you have in here, what you can do, you can go to the dice, click on the dice, and it's going to show you more options. Let's choose this one. Now we can customize the look that she has right now. We can go to the accessories here. We can choose hair. We can change her hair. Let's give her long hair. Let's see if we can give her different cloth style. Let's give her a dress. You can go to colors and change the colors. You can change the mouth, the eyes, the body, the hair, and you can add some makeup. Some of the plans don't have all the options. You will need to go to a premium plan to have more options to change your avatar. So let's try with the mouse. Let's see if with the mouse we can change the color. Yeah. Let's skip this one. Let's try to change the color of the eyes. Let's give her blue eyes. Then you can go to the icon that says background, and we can change the background. Let's put her in the grocery store. Once you decide what's the background and the cloth and the look, you can go and add voice to the avatar. To add the voice, you come here, click on this icon. First, you need to add a text. So you enter the message in here. And you need to be sure that the person in here match with the person you have here. So we have Julie. She's from the US, so that's the accent she will have. And you can change the English accents. So let's keep Julie.
Today is a beautiful day.
Let's try with different accent. Now let's try with Grace. She's from Australia.
Hi. Today is a beautiful day.
And now we can try with Elizabeth from UK.
Hi. Today is a beautiful day.
Now we have the option to change the language. If we want to do that, what we need to do first is to change the message here to the right language. And then we come here and we change to the right language, that in this case is Spanish. But we need to remember to change the character in here as well. So we have a Gloria that speaks Mexican, and we can try with Carmen.
Hola. Es un precioso día.
Or with Soledad. Let's see.
Hola. Es un precioso día.
So once you like your avatar, you can save it and share with your students or with your friends. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.